Happy first Easter, Lukka. What, naked baby? Reagan, I think the Easter bunny came. My banner's not up, but
What?
I think the Easter bunny came.
The what?
What?
What is it?
I think yours is the blue one.
Go see what's in there.
Like candies. How did I do candy? I'm trying to do first. Hard.
Need some help?
Hard.
See what all's in there first.
These are
Peeps.
cute.
Yeah.
Open those.
Your phone's ringing.
Of course it is.
Help with the wrapper.
Let's just look at it all first and then we'll open some things.
Oh, it's the bunny that Lukkas had.
Oh, sweet.
And I got some.
Airheads. You love those.
Maybe while we were gone at Kylie's house, the Easter bunny came in.
I think he came while you were sleeping, just like Santa Claus.
Maybe.
Yeah. I like it.
And he got me some of these, or she. And he got me this bunny.
Mm-hmm.
And these.
Yeah.
Hey, Kylie had these.
She did.
I ate the little bunny. I mean, not the bunny, the little duck. And there's some more of these. And another egg. I think there's so many eggs. And some more of these and these. Ah.
You still have all your candy from your basket yesterday, too.
Yeah, I left it. Wait.
It's in the car.
Wow! What is there in the other huge egg? And this left.
Wow.
It's so fluffy. And I can put my baby doll in here.
Yeah.
Or wait, I think I saw something in my
What do you think, bud? Oh, okay. Rode it?
Yeah, I thought you did
You got some fish? Oh, got some fishy?
Wow, over you.
No, but I need one.
Sure one you already did.
That's good.
Pause again.
Look!
Reagan caught a caterpillar,
And it turned into a cocoon!
and 2 days later we have a cocoon. So we're gonna have a pet butterfly soon. What you gonna name it?
I don't know.
Flutter.
Maybe.
Flitter. Splutter. Splatter.
What do you think about that cocoon? What is it? What do you think about it?
I want to name it normally.
A normal name? You can name it whatever you want to
His
name it.
name is Jennifer.
Who's Jennifer?
No, she said a normal name.
Where's my cricket?
That's not a normal name though.
Where's my
Sarah.
cricket?
Named Sarah.
My cricket's still alive.
Yep.
What? What? Yeah.
How do you? So our Easter dinner consisted of a spiral ham, sweet potato casserole. It's like the Ruth Chris recipe. It's so good, and I just added marshmallows too. And then mac and cheese, because that's like all my kids will eat. And then I have egg custard pie and strawberry pie in the oven. Okay, so the top of my egg custard pie got a little burnt, but that's alright. But it's done. And then my strawberry cream cheese pie is done. I just made my own pie filling, or my own pie crust. And then I mixed strawberry preserves with cream cheese and blended it. Poured it in and then put frozen strawberries on top. And then this is just old-fashioned egg custard pie. I'll try to link the recipe below to all of this if you're interested. Guys, so it's the day after Easter. Last night I didn't vlog anymore because we had bad weather on Easter. I live in Georgia, as most of you know, but we spent the night in our laundry room with all the kids because there 2 tornadoes touched down about 20 minutes from our house, near our friend's house, actually really close. It's like 1 road over from our old house. So there was a house in the road, lots of homes damaged, luckily no lives lost, praise the Lord. But yeah, it was a really long night, so I didn't vlog any yesterday other than our meal, but just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm gonna try to do some more videos this week, hopefully work on the camper some more, and we'll see where it goes with this whole virus situation. I'm hoping it will end soon, but who really knows at this point. So yeah, that's really all we've been up to. My family has some things going on that I'm going to ask for prayers for. I can't really speak about it because it's personal to someone I love, but my family just needs your prayers right now, God knows. So I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. So we're doing a little baby-led weaning. He's just got some little baby puff snacks here and a teething wafer, and then I just cut up some oranges for him. Is that so good? See, I love to eat food, huh? He does not want baby food anymore. Excuse my pile of clean laundry I need to fold over here. Excuse me, always having these mattresses in the background. I'm still trying to figure out where to put those. So. Are those oranges? Yeah.